Determine and sketch the even and odd components of the following signal. Here signal x of n is given, which is discrete signal. Its value is -2 plus n square when n value is in between -1, 2, 3 and 0 otherwise. The given signal is x of n is equal to -2 plus n square when n value is in between -1, 2, 3 and 0 otherwise. Now first, with the help of x of n equation, we'll try to draw the discrete signal. Here so now for n is equal to -1, the value of x of -1 is equal to -2 plus -1 square will give 1, which is equal to -1. Now for n is equal to 0, x of 0 is equal to -2 plus 0, which is -2. Now for n is equal to 1, x of 1 is equal to -2 plus 1, which is equal to -1. Now for n is equal to 2, x of 2 is equal to -2 plus 4, which is equal to 2. For n is equal to 3, x of 3 is equal to -2 plus 9, which is equal to 7. So here I'll plot x of n signal. Say this is n equal to 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, and this side we have -1. Now for n equal to -1, the value of the signal is -1. Say this is -1. For n equal to 0, signal is -2. Say this is -2. Now for n equal to 1, the value is -1. For n equal to 1, value is -1. For n equal to 2, it is 2. Say this is 2 for n equal to 2, and for n equal to 3, the value is 7. Say this is 7. So this is the given x of n signal. We know that even components of the signal is calculated using the relation xc of n is equal to 1 by 2 x of n minus x of plus x of minus n. So here we have x of n signal. Now we'll try to plot x of minus n. X of minus n is obtained by replacing each n by minus n, that is reflection. Say this is n. So at 0, the value of the signal is -2, that will be same. It will be -2. For n equal to 1, at n equal to 1, the signal is -1. This will appear at -1. So at n equal to -1, the value of the signal is -1. At n equal to 2, the value is 2. This will appear at n equal to -2. Its value is 2. Now at n equal to 3, its value is 7. The same thing will appear at minus 3. Value is 7. Now at n equal to minus 1, the value is minus 1. This will appear at n equal to plus 1. The value is minus 1. So this is x of minus n signal. Now we'll perform the sum between this waveform and this waveform. So now at n equal to 0, the value of this signal is minus 2. At n equal to 0, its value is minus 2. Therefore, at n equal to 0, the sum is minus 4. Say this is minus 4. At n equal to 1, here we have minus 1 and here we have minus 1. That is minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 2 for n equal to 1. This is n equal to 0. Now for n equal to 2, here we have amplitude 2, here amplitude is 0. Therefore at n equal to 2, the value of the signal is 2. At n equal to 3, we have 7, here it is 0. Therefore at n equal to 3, it is 7. At n equal to minus 1, its value is minus 1, its value is minus 1, that will be minus 2. At n equal to minus 1. Now at n equal to minus 2, here it is 0. Therefore, the same thing will retain. That is at n equal to minus 2, the amplitude of the signal is 2. Similarly, at n equal to minus 3, same thing will retain. That is 7. So this is the sum of signal x of n plus x of minus n. So now we have performed x of n plus x of minus n. Now we have to divide this signal by 2. That is nothing but amplitude scaling. We supposed to divide each amplitude by 2. I can draw here. So let this be xc of n signal. So here at n equal to 0, the amplitude is minus 2, that is divided by 2, it will be minus 2, that is n equal to 0. Now for n equal to 1, here the amplitude is minus 2, it will be minus 1. At n equal to 2, here amplitude is 2, it will be 1 now. At n equal to 3, amplitude is 3.5. Now at n equal to minus 1, here amplitude is minus 2, it will be minus 1. Now at n equal to minus 2, the amplitude is 2, it means it is 1. Now for n equal to minus 3, here it is 7, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. That is 3.5. So this is the even component of signal x of n. Now we'll try to draw odd component of signal. Now we'll plot odd component of the signal. That is, odd component of x of n is given by 1 upon 2 x of n minus x of minus n. So here we have x of n signal and this is x of minus n signal. Now we are supposed to subtract this x of n minus n from x of n according to this formula. So we'll plot the same. So here we can observe at n equal to 0, the value of x of n is minus 2. Here at n equal to 0, the value of the signal is minus 2. That is, at n equal to 0, here it is minus 2, and here we have minus of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, for n equal to 0, the value of the signal is 0 itself. Now for n is equal to 1, here the value is minus 1, minus here also the value is minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, again for n equal to 1 it is 0. Now for n equal to 2 we have magnitude 2. Here for n equal to 2 value is 0. Therefore, for n equal to 2 the magnitude is 2. Now for n equal to 3, here the magnitude is 7, here it is 0. Therefore, at n equal to 3, we have magnitude 7. Now for n equal to minus 1, for n equal to minus 1, here the value is minus 1, and here also the value is minus of minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, for n equal to minus 1, the value is 0. Now for n equal to minus 2, here it is 0. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Therefore, for n equal to minus 2, the amplitude is minus 2. For n equal to minus 3, here it is 0, minus 7 is minus 7. So for n equal to minus 3, the value is minus 7. So this signal is x of n minus x of minus n. Now we'll try to plot odd component of x of n, that is xo of n, which is obtained by doing amplitude scaling on this signal, that is dividing each amplitude by 2. We'll get xo of n. So here now for n equal to 0, the value is 0 itself. Now for n equal to 1, value is 0. For n equal to 2, here amplitude is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. For n equal to 2, the amplitude is 1. Now for n equal to 3, the amplitude is 3.5. For n equal to minus 1, the value is 0 itself. For n equal to minus 2, its amplitude is minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 1. For n equal to minus 3, here it is minus 7 divided by 2, that is minus 3.5. So this is odd component of signal x.